Hi, my name is Frank Barrett-Mills. I'm the Director of Culinary Affairs and Training for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Products. And today, we're going to be discussing one of the Star products, Lang, and this is the Lang Clamshell unit. And this unit is a standard griddle, and this happens to be a mirror finished griddle with clamshell hoods that'll come down onto the burger and cook it 50% quicker, and also saves labor with an employee not having to flip and stay there and watch it. And it also guarantees the correct internal temperature to get to that 165 temperature range. So let's talk a little bit about the equipment. This happens to be a 36-inch grill. These are 12-inch clamshells. Now these are contact clamshells. You can also get radiant clamshells that are above the product to cook it through, or you can get a gas clamshell, one of the three. So every 12 inches on a griddle, you can put one of these hoods. On this one, we've got two 12 inchers with a 12-inch opening. So product goes on, clamshell down, lift up, product is ready. It takes about 2.5 to 3 minutes for a standard 8 burger. Thicker will take a little longer, thinner a little less. These are Teflon 4mm. These come off to be washed, very simple. It is the simplest of clamshells. When it's programmed correctly, all you do is set your product, pull the hood down, it beeps when it's ready, and you're up and running. For more information, please contact Star at Star Manufacturing 1-800-264-7827 or orders at star-mfg.com. Thank you.